about calories in versus calories out when it comes to actually getting healthy. You have PCOS, Hashimoto's, hypothyroid, insulin resistant, type 1, type 2 diabetic. You can't just eat whatever you want in a calorie deficit. Stop eating 1,200 calories. Seriously, if you guys are doing 1,200 calories, you're not losing body fat, you're not getting healthy, you're not getting results. Go and listen to episode number 13, Weight Loss Over Coffee. It's not. Stop doing 1,200 calories, stop starving yourself, stop under eating. But it's not just about calories, it's where those calories are coming from. There's a reason that I've got people who are insulin resistant, reversing insulin resistant, and becoming insulin sensitive. It's not, you can't just, yes, if all you care about is the scale moving, not getting healthy, not getting off diabetic medications, not getting off cholesterol medications, heart medication, like it is crazy with what has happened for people who have started doing this and actually changing what they are eating. Stop eating all the garbage out of a box. There's a reason Americans are dying of heart disease. It's the number one cause of death in the United States. Heart disease. Guess what? We changed the way we've eaten. Back in the 70s, I want to say, when President Eisenhower was the president, he had a heart attack, and one doctor is the reason we eat the way that we do. And we have been told that fat is bad for us, that we need to take all the fat out of the diet. So we did. Grain consumption went up 40%. Milk, dairy, and meat and poultry dropped 20%. We've changed the way we've been eating. Why is heart disease still the number one cause of death in the United States? Oh, it's because we're eating too much. No. It's because of what we are eating. We're not eating food anymore. We're eating items out of a box. We're eating products. Like I always say, ladies and gents, there's only one box we should be eating out of. And guess what? You'll actually burn calories doing it. And you get to release endorphins, and you get to make your significant other. Anyways, stop eating out of a box. It is not calories in versus calories out when it comes down to actually getting healthy. That's what it's about, is getting healthy. It's not just about making the scale move. Who cares what the scale says? Guess what? Bob Harper had a heart attack. He's a worldwide trainer. What do you mean? Why? It doesn't make sense. And everyone's like, oh, it's genetics. Stop blaming genetics on everything, ladies and gents. That's like telling Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, oh, you're Samoan, you should be fat and overweight. Yeah, he looks great. It's all about nutrition and what you put into your body. So what happens when we do 500 calories from fats, 500 calories from protein, and then 500 calories from protein, fat, or carbs? The body's going to react differently. The body will respond differently to each one of those. Fats, you taking 500 calories from fat, your body's going to use that fat as energy. Nothing happens to your blood sugars, and that's it. Fat is just used straight for energy. There's no insulin response with the fat. You taking 500 calories from protein, your body's going to use those proteins and repair muscles. Your body needs the protein. The protein is the most important macronutrient that you need out of carbs, fats, and proteins. Why do you women rip your hair out, leave it on the shower wall? It's because you're not taking in enough protein. You're not taking in enough calories. So remember, if you guys don't know what your calorie goal is for weight loss, make sure you guys go to FullertonNutrition.com. That is where the calorie calculator is. And you can get my entire step-by-step plan for free. Tried True Meal for the first time this morning. Why didn't y'all tell me it was this good? You guys, True Meal is the best meal replacement protein shake you guys will ever get in your entire life. It is phenomenal. Jackie, what flavor did you get? I really should have listened sooner. I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. That's why I let you get sample packs. I'll give you a taste, get a sample pack. Then you're going to buy 3 of them because you're not going to know which flavor to get because all 3 flavors are phenomenal. Don't forget, we still got salted caramel and mint chocolate. Those are the exclusive flavors. Once they are gone, they are gone. But it's not calories in versus calories out, because you taking 500 calories from carbs, yes, you will use the carbs as energy. Your body's going to break down those carbs into sugars. Blood sugar is going to go through the roof. The pancreas is going to produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone. And when insulin is present in the body, you're not burning body fat anymore. So if we're able to control a hormone just by the way we are eating, we have so much more control of our bodies. So if I can eat just meat and veggies, I'm still getting carbs in from the veggies. We're getting in a ton of fat and a ton of proteins with the meat. When we do so, it's going to allow us to actually control hormones. And when we do so, the body starts to thrive and function the way that it should. And that's how people are reversing insulin resistance. They're not having huge, crazy high insulin spikes. And the beauty of it is you start to change what you're eating. I promise you, and I guarantee you all of this. If you go use the calorie calculator on the website, you hit your calorie goal for weight loss. Eat whatever you want. I'm saying whatever you want for a month. And then the second month, you actually dial it in and eat just real food. Nothing out of a box. Meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit. If you want to do dairy, I just don't drink milk, and eat the whole freaking egg, ladies and gents. I guarantee you are going to see a better change in your body in 4 weeks than you ever did trying to lose body fat eating whatever you want. Then start to see your mood change. Start to see how your sleep is. Start to see how your skin changes, the hair, your nails. Everything starts to change. Your gut health. It's all the garbage that's in the box food that is absolutely destroying our bodies with all the products. And that's the thing. And people are like, oh, this isn't sustainable. How is it not sustainable to eat real food? Meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, and fruit. It's real food. You're giving your body the nutrients that it needs. And the thing is everything I talk about, it's what I do and what I've had others doing. And it's why I put this out there. It's why I put this content out. So share this out, ladies and gents. You guys don't understand how many people will impact their life of you sharing this to them, letting their friends, family, coworkers, let everybody know where they can get this information, ladies and gents. My goal is to help 5 people every single day stop struggling with weight loss, hit their calories, have the best body they've ever had, get all the self-confidence they've never had in their entire life. People tell me all the time, I've been fat my entire life. Let's make a freaking change. You can change it. You just have to be the change. So share this out, ladies and gents. I cannot beg you enough. You don't understand how much of an impact you can make on somebody else's life just by sharing this out, especially if you guys have been getting results. Don't force it upon anybody. Don't be like, hey, you guys need to do this. Just be like, yo, this is what I've been doing. And then people, the naysayers, will be like, oh, that's blah, 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 blah. It's because they can't do it and they're going to be fat and unhealthy for the rest of their life because they're going to blame everybody else instead of looking in the mirror and understanding they are the reason why they're not getting healthy and they're not getting results. But I promise you, why I talk about all of this, it's everything I've done. I've had people come to me, they're doing 15, 16, 1800 calories. They're taking in the right amount of calories for what their calorie goal should be, but they're not getting results. People with PCOS and Hashimoto's and hypothyroid, insulin resistant, those are the biggest ones that I see the most on. When we actually start to focus on where our calories come from, then the body starts to change full circle and starts to lose body fat, getting healthy, energy, mood, all of it. No more bloating, no more carb and sugar cravings. You have more energy. You wake up before your alarm in the morning and you're actually up and you feel great. You have more energy. Sex drive goes through the roof. Ladies, if your cookie ain't moist, it's hormones. That's what's going on. We got True Drive that can definitely help out with it. True Drive is phenomenal. You need a nice moist cookie. It's phenomenal, ladies and gents. So get some True Drive. But you change the way you're eating, the body will start to function the way that it should. So I will say this day in and day out. It is not calories in versus calories out to actually becoming healthy. It's not about weight loss for me. It's not helping people lose body, not helping people make a scale move. I can lose 10 pounds of water weight in a 45-minute session doing cardio, lights on, socks off, but it's not body fat. It's water weight. Who cares what the scale says? Get off these damn diuretics. Stop worrying about the scale. Go off your before and after photos. But I promise you, leave you with this. 1 week, just 1 week, just 1 week. Just give me 1 week. Hit your calorie goal with meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, and fruit. 1 week. I promise you in 1 week, your body will absolutely change just in 1 week of how you feel, energy levels, all of it. You'll get all the benefits from it. Do it for the rest of your life. If you want to have cake, go for it. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Just know the repercussions. You're not going to feel good afterwards. But the beauty of it is you get to start on that next meal. So with that, ladies and gents, Have an amazing freaking day.